Today we're diving into Foxy AI, an intriguing tool that claims to simplify your creative processes. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's break down what it offers, the experience, and whether it's worth your time and money. Foxy AI is designed to assist users with various creative tasks, from generating content to brainstorming ideas. The platform seems to cater to a broad audience, including marketers, writers, and even businesses looking for a creative boost. When you first log in, the interface feels user-friendly, which is a plus for those who might not be tech-savvy. The core functionality revolves around utilizing AI to enhance creativity, but honestly, the specifics of how it achieves this aren't crystal clear. The app offers features like content generation and idea prompts, which can be helpful, but it feels like there's a bit of a learning curve involved. It's not always obvious how to get the most out of the tools available. Overall, while the concept is solid, some parts of the user experience could use more clarity. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Foxy AI does have a clean interface and can be a real time saver for generating ideas. It's particularly beneficial for those who struggle with writer's block or need a fresh perspective. However, there are some frustrations too. The lack of detailed guidance on how to use certain features can be a barrier for new users. Plus, without transparent pricing or clear user feedback, it's hard to gauge its overall value. For those who are looking for a robust AI tool with extensive capabilities, you might find Foxy AI a bit limiting. But if you're someone who needs a quick creative nudge, it could still be worth a shot. In conclusion, Foxy AI has potential, especially for casual users seeking quick creative assistance. However, if you're looking for something more comprehensive or detailed, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a decent tool, but tread carefully and weigh your needs before diving in.